Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be exploring creepy, scary monsters. Hopefully Thunderman doesn't get us. Let's go! Hey, sir, what you doing?
Oh, dang! Yo!
Yo, get back, please! Alright, I can't get hit again. There's no way! Man, we are so unlucky. He got hit twice. I'm about ready to die. We got 58% film left, so we're just gonna have a podcast or something, man. Yeah.
It's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. It's a starman waiting in the sky.
Come over here.
Bless it. Dang.
Guys, I have a boner.
Found some skull. Another skull.
Help! Oh, they got me trapped! Ah! Ah! I'm dead! Run! Get out of here!
Guys, I think my friend just died. Hey, friend. No, we can all be friends, right? Come on, bro. No, I've never snail, dude. What's up? Guys, I'm being raped! Oh my gosh, I gotta run. He's following me, guys. Yo, we running for our life right now. We gotta go. Yes. We found the diving bell. We about to get home. My friend died. He sacrificed himself for a notable cause.
Oh, yo, guys, what is that, actually? Oh! Yo, guys, I just got blown up! What? That's actually crazy, guys.
Yo, we about to find some monsters. It's day 1. Let's see if we can get to day 3. Let's go.
Yo!
Yo, I found someone's ribcage. Someone must have died down here. That's crazy. And I found someone's bone. Dang.
Guess you could say I had a boner.
Oh shoot, spider. What's that, spiders? You know what I'm saying? Oh shoot. Yo! Yo, what's up, my friends? Yo, guys, I just want to be friends. Oh!
Yo!
No! Help me, Malachi! No! Yo, bro, it's just a prank, bro. No! Oh, the other one walked away, but I'm still being raped by the other one. I'm stuck.
So
What is going on? Oh! No!
Womp womp ass story, you know what I'm saying, gang? I don't know what this place is, but it's very scary. Post-game interview might be coming up next.
Okay, leave the camera filming? Oh.
Yeah.
That's good enough.
Alright, Isaac, how do you feel about it?
Filming?
Yep. La 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 la. Look at my ragtag heart. Look at him, he does not have a heart. I have a heart.
Yeah, what's that thing, Malachi?
What the heck?
What do you mean, bro? You should walk in it.
Oh wait, what's this up here? Yo guys, I think I'm gonna go upstairs. Hopefully I take one.
What is that?
I've never seen that before. What is that? Never mind, I've seen it before.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Oh!
Oh my gosh! Brother, he's like Sonic.
What's happening over here, man? Oh, whoa, whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! That user left. I just heard the goo. Sit down, boy! Sit down, boy! Down, boy! Take me alive! You ain't shit!
Oh, guys. Please, everything you think is a thing, sir. Please, sir.
Get me, monster!
Dang. Dang. He dead. He dead. Oh my god, he dead.
Yo!
Dang, he went on the top of it, look.
Oh, he's stuck up there.
Someone's skull.
Get it, get it, get it, get it!
No!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yo, what's up, Turo? Dang, you got shocked. What? Someone's spinal cord. Yo, look at that dude. I wonder what he does. Oh shit. Oh my god! There's some player. Yeah, look at all the webs. And the big dude coming. Hasta la vista. Baby. There's some webs in our ship, but that's okay. We'll be seeing you guys. Oh. Alright, so we interviewing you today. What do you think about this place and everything that's here? I heard we saw your friend that shoot. Where you at? Oh my god.
Yep, go, 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 go. Interview.
Are you sure?
Yeah, interview.
Yeah, what do you think? What do you think about this place? Oh! Interview cut short, interview cut short! Oh my gosh, we gotta go. Yo, I want to interview the Blender dude today. What do you think about... Hello, Sam.
Uh-oh!
Yo, Black Lives Matter. Oh!
Oh!
Oh! No! I'm dead, I'm dead. Cover one.
There's a starman waiting in the sky.